really nice buzz in the room. Everyone's extending the Friendly Food Club welcome. The campaign is to highlight the joys and benefits of cooking and bring the message out to the wider Dorset population.
Oh, excellent, excellent. All the demonstrations, I expected it to be good, but it reached beyond.
Fantastic. Being part of today has just been so much fun.
I want to incorporate what I learned today with my skills and my knowledge, and then just do it for my community.
Oh, I love cooking.
It actually relaxes me.
I particularly like chopping up stuff.
It's an easy pastime, innit? It's something you need to be able to do.
So I love the idea of making a big spaghetti bolognese for my family.
Cooking is what joins us together, I think, as a family.
I just love the idea that the Friendly Food Club is about food for everyone, for every day. Healthy but tasty and achievable.
Real sense of community involvement. It's a really fantastic charity that does great things to get people cooking.
They're incredibly organised. It's free and it's available for everyone.
We're just passionate about cooking, and we really want to share our message that cooking doesn't have to be complicated, it doesn't have to be expensive, and you can easily make cheap, healthy meals at home.
Taking all the pretense away, just making it really accessible. It's done for passion, the people who really care.
Cooking makes me feel really good because after having major surgery 3 years ago, I'm back eating and cooking.
Thanks very much. I really enjoy it. I like cooking for my family.
I'm quite happy doing it. It makes me hungry and very willing to try new things.
Healthy living, I'm learning is good. I sleep a lot, but it's because of my diet, so I'll change my diet.
When I feel by myself, I feel eating frozen meals. They're no good for you. I feel much better when cooking myself.
Community cooking is so important. It delivers all the benefits of people learning to cook, but also cooking together brings labours together, it brings families together, it brings communities together.
It's just so nice to be in a relaxed environment with a focus on kindness and giving and sharing and community, all based around that fundamental thing that is food.
It's a way of bringing people together. There's nothing like sitting down and breaking bread and eating with people.
Oh, beyond words.
Divine. Delicious, of course. Tastes amazing. Delicious. Superb. Yummy, yummy. Really delicious and fresh.
Happy now. Delicious.
We as a council don't have that same reach that Friendly Food Club can bring, so it enables us to understand more about communities, people's social networks, becoming more confident through coming to cooking sessions, what people are eating and how they might be changing their diet. I'd like to learn food from different cultures.
I like to experiment with all sorts of ingredients.
I'm swinging more towards vegetarian.
I like cooking for other people. Just for me and family, we cook with our granddaughters.
I enjoy cooking for other people, and when I cook for myself I always make way too many portions.
It's helping me into this syllabus. If anybody comes to join me, I'm very happy. They've always said how nice it is.
I learned to cook after university when I don't live at home anymore, and whatever dishes I want to eat, I just look up on the internet.
I remember my mum not being a very good cook and thinking I could do a lot better.
My dad was a military man, so I did cooking in Germany and school.
Did a bit at school in those days.
Working in restaurants.
Then I suppose my mother, really.
Lived in Spain for about 5 years, so cooked Mediterranean, a lot of Mediterranean dishes.
Just picked it up as I've gone along. I learned mostly at school.
Self-taught, just watching cooking programs and YouTube.
More from my mother.
And attending a couple of cooking courses.
I did cookery at school. I'm self-taught. My mum wasn't a very good cook.
My mum, she was a domestic science and needlework teacher.
Well, I didn't really start cooking until I got married.
I did a bit of food tech at school.
I fell in love with it.
My parents kind of encouraged me and my brother to cook at home.
Since joining this Friendly Food Club,
My mum always sends me crazy recipes.
I've surprised myself.
I